This is a short guide for how to renew your annual practicing certificate, as Physiotherapy Board of New Zealand has revised some of their pathways to renew the APC. So once you are at Physiotherapy Board of New Zealand, you just log into your portal. I was already logged into this portal, so you just have to, probably it would ask you for your email and password for the account. You can add that. So that's the main page. You will go to my submissions along with the Benish Shehzadi here, or alongside your own name, there would be my submission. So if you click on that, automatically it will take you to number 1, like applications. So you click on that box and you go for number 3, that is registration details, and scroll down and choose the last APC certificate active. Click on that and see it says type of certificate, annual practicing certificate. Start date will be 1st of April and expiry date is 31st of March 2027. So this is the certificate I would like to renew, because the rest of my APCs are previous year's APCs. And status says pending, payment pending. So that means this is the right one. I would click on blue button open. I would go on that and it will just give me some details about, I just want to double check my registration number. I have full registration and my rest of the details, and you just scroll down. So that's the payment total, which is $414, including 54 GSTs as well. So you submit the declaration, because I already have done that part. So let's say if I just clicked on the next page. It says type of certificate, annual practicing certificate. Start date would be 1st of April and 2026, and the expiry date is next year, March 31st of March 2027. Fitness to practice. So these are just your declarations. If you have any physical health condition which just affects your ability to practice as a physiotherapist, or if you have got any mental health conditions which affects your ability to practice as a physiotherapist, or any professional conduct against you. So you click on all these boxes after reading carefully. Any criminal or convictional history, you click on that, and now it will ask you who will how this will be paid. So I will pay. That's annual practicing certificate, and GST is $54, so including 360 and 54, that's $414. These are the declarations that I'm the person who is submitting this application under the Health Practitioner Competency Assurance Act. I'm the person named in the qualification submitted. I have maintained and will continue to maintain the confidentiality of any information. I will notify the Physiotherapy Board if any information provided within my application changes. I understand the Physiotherapy Board may obtain further information from a person or organization for any further processes or purposes if needed. So you are just aware of all these declarations, and then you have read the declaration above and you agree to make them. You go to the next section. Again, this is again confirming you that this is your annual practicing certificate, which will start from 1st of April 2026 and it will expire on 31st of March 2027. These are your fitness to practice questions and your payment details, and I'm saying yes, and I will save, and I will say pay now. And once I click on that, it will just ask for my details, and that's it. You just click on your details and card number and expiry date and CVV code, and you click pay now, and automatically you have submitted your application. And once you are you have completed the submission, you will go back onto my submission page again, the number 3, which was my submission. So you will scroll down and find your APC, and with the download arrow button you can download the PDF. So it's pretty easy and quick. Once you're done with your payment for APC, after adding all your details, you clicked on the pay now option, and that will take you to this page, and automatically it says generate certificate. If you click on that, let's see what comes up. So that's how you scroll down and you look at the PDF file. So you click on that, and that is downloading your annual practicing certificate. Like I just download it straight away within a minute time after my submission, after my payment actually. So that's how it should work.